An entire weekend has come down to this. The Broncs have one game left with the Gamecocks of South Carolina and one more chance to salvage a win against the 6th-ranked team in the nation. Rider fell to the Gamecocks 9-5 in last night's game, able to score runs but unable to prevent them. Still, Coach Davis knows everyone in South Carolina is impressed with his team.
None of you now see the difference in the way you feel now and how you felt Friday. You're relaxed, you know what to expect. That's why when we go to the regionals, you'll be in position to win the game better than you were Friday night. And we only came within maybe 3 plays of winning. All right, that's why we did this. Because this team is capable of doing it. When you go in here today, the crowd ain't gonna bother you, the introductions don't bother you, nothing's gonna bother you. If you play well enough, you'll compete. If you don't play well enough, it ain't gonna matter. It ain't gonna matter next week. But if you don't play well against St. Bonnie's, you're gonna lose in. So it doesn't matter. All right, there's hundreds of people right now that are looking at us and saying they're pretty good. Everyone here knows we're pretty good. And the other team knows we're pretty good. Did you watch the press conference? Did anybody take a look at it yesterday? He called us a regional team. That team's going to the regionals. They're scrappy. Don't disappoint him today.
I thought you was going to give me a yell.
Yes. Let's put more runs up and let's play defense. Let's have some fun out there. Let's have some fun. Come on. Broncs on 3, 1, 2, 3.
That's what I'm thinking about. That's the way I think. You know, think about it every day. Every day I think about winning the match. Every day. All right, let's go.
Mike Parsons. Batting second in Yankee, number 6, Eric Strano. Batting third base, number 2, Jim Vasil. Batting.
Come on. How much do college basketball make? You are. Who's a freshman?
Get ready for hit. Oh!
Get out here, Eric! Tough son.
Get out here, Eric!
Hey, come on, let's go. We gotta start believing right now. We can play with these guys. Let's go. Start believing. Let's go. Bad boy, Mike.
Did he double the curfew? Replay! It's just their base, man. That's terrible.
You missed out. You missed out.
Hey, clean it up.
They don't need any help.
No.
They don't need any help.
Get back in the dugout, 14.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Right now! Let's go, right now! Who wants to make a play? Let's go!
3 days. For 3, not just one day. Anything, anybody can do it for one day. We did it for 3 days. All right? We played with them all weekend. We could have won any one of them games. If you don't go home and say, listen, I got to get to the weight room, or I got to get to the cage, or I got to work on my bunt game, or I got to go to the bullpen and work on holding runners. If you don't see that now, then you're never going to see it. You might as well just forget it. You're never going to be any good. This team has a chance to really, really, really be good. Really good. It has a chance to be the best team we've ever had here. And you've got to listen to me. I'm not screaming at you. I'm just telling you, there's a few things we got to do better. All right? But I think overall, you can't, you made a lot of people proud by the way you competed. The only thing you didn't do is you didn't win a game. And that's the one part that you can't get too excited about because you didn't win. Especially when you're good enough to win. We're good enough to beat them. They're sweating. They're sweating. And you know what? We deserve that. They didn't give us anything. They did not give us a problem. Okay? And I thought we gave them everything we could handle. That's all we can handle. Good job.
Bronx on 3. 1, 2, 3. Bronx.
The Adventure sings so long from Carolina Stadium. The final score today, South Carolina